Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the new video on E90, my daily one. So as I mentioned in previous videos, I took out the LCI xenons from the 330xi and I will be applying those here because I tried to pass the MOT with these headlights and they don't have any regulations. Basically the lighting isn't great and it didn't pass MOT due to that. So I will be removing these and installing the original LCI Bi-xenons in this video and just show you how I do it. Obviously I am in Europe and I hope these headlights are European model, not UK, because the way where the light is going would be wrong if it's UK and I wouldn't pass MOT with these as well. So I'll remove those, check the part numbers and possibly find any information on Google and we'll let you know. Okay, so I just checked the part code on this one and it turns out to be a European model, so I'm lucky with this one and I think I will install those. Afterwards in the next video you will see how I changed the bulbs to LED because currently they're running regular H7 halogens for the angel eyes and they're pretty dim, and also I will polish those up myself. So if you're looking forward to that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, you help me out, and yeah, we just grow like that. So let's continue with disassembling those and installing these. And obviously to do that we need to remove the front bumper. Why do we need to remove the front bumper? I think BMW made this basically due to thieves because it's not so easy to take those headlights out and nobody can steal those easily, at least without breaking the fixing points. And that's good in a way, I like it. So let's pop this up and start removing the front bumper. Alright, so one headlight is removed. Now I need to place in the new one. And the big problem with this is that I have the headlights washer and it has extra hose around and doesn't let this thing go so easily. I would have to cut all these zip ties and I just don't want to reapply them in all the different places, so I'm trying to work on a narrower spots but avoid cutting things. The E90 story ends here because this car is already sold. I just sold it, still waiting for the buyer to come and pay the cash. I obviously gave it a good clean. As you can see, it's looking pretty mint at the moment, especially with those LCI xenons, and it's sad to see her go, but I sold it for a good price and we will see a new build sometime soon. Still thinking about which car to get, I don't know yet, so I will keep you updated. This is it for this car modification. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and yeah, see you guys in the next videos.